What's up? What's up, my YouTube family? Hi, guys. How's everybody doing? I hope fine, guys. I'm doing great. Guys, I got some fufu again. But, guys, I got okra stew, which is, if y'all been following, y'all know that I've been trying to get in. Every time I get to Marion's Yummy Kitchen in Route 1 Mall in Saugus, they're always out because it goes so fast. I went early today. I got my frosty mugs. Not that frosty, but she sure is cold. Whew. That's cold and good. Guys, to go to Fufu. Oh, and I got some tripe and cow skin with it. Y'all know my favorite. I love the tripe and cow skin. I hope everybody's doing great. It's Friday. It's Friday. I hate Fridays. But it's whatever. Ooh, got my fufu. Got my fufu. Also, I got my water for my hands. You know, to get a little slimy. My okra stew, y'all. Look at the steam. I warmed it up in the microwave. Ooh, guys. Oh, I finally got it. Ooh, look at that. I like that. Oh, big old fly in here. He wasn't even just in here. I don't know where he came from. I don't fly. Oh. Where did you come from? Oh my God. So I got some okra stews left in here. I'm most likely want to get to that because but the plate, it just spread all out. I'm excited, y'all. And I love okra. So let me know in the comments if you like okra. I love okra. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Sound like Arsenia. What? Arsena? Love it, love it, love it. Look at the tripe, y'all. Look at that tripe. Ooh. Ooh. I'm serious, y'all. I'm excited. I haven't had this in so long. Ooh. All right, guys. I'm ready to dig in. I'm ready. Oh, my God. I hope it's good. I know it's good. I just haven't had it so long. I'm gonna try to get a thumbnail. That other picture was like a thumbnail. That pose. I want to get the stringiness of this in the thumbnail. No, I don't like the lighting. The light of it wasn't too good. I love it. I love it. It's so messy. I love it. Oh my God. I should have got 2 Fufus because this is a lot of okra. I'm gonna need a spoon. Yeah, I'm gonna need a spoon. It's so good, y'all. I'm so happy. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm being silly. My God. I need another fufu. This ain't gonna work. So good. Oh my God. That's so good. Let's get into this skin. Oh, this is the cow skin, y'all. Slippery sucker to you. mm. Mm-mm-mm. 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 That is so messy. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. Messy food is always good. Do y'all agree with that? Do y'all agree with that? Mm-mm-mm. A piece of meat. Guys, I've been chewing. You're really supposed to just be swallowing. But I'm so excited for it and it's so good. Like, I can't, like, I don't know. Just let me eat it. I don't want to eat it, y'all. I swallow that piece. Oh, man. I'm so happy. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm. It's making a mess. It's okay for me to lick my hands, guys. It's okay. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Excuse me. Whew. Ooh, the tripe, y'all. The tripe. Mmm. Mmm. That's good. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. Let me know what you're having for dinner tonight. Let me know. Y'all see what I got. It's good. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. Oh my God. Okay, come on, come on. Mm-mm-mm. Whew. Oh God. This stuff is so good. It is so good. Of course, if you don't like slimy stuff, you're a texture person. You ain't gonna like it, but if you do, oh man. And guys, again, if y'all haven't had fufu yet, y'all better get on it. For real. This fufu is amazing. Oh my God. I'm over here like struggling to get some. I want a lot. Okay, let's see. It's gonna have to be really messy. Mm. Whew. Okay. All right. Oh man. Mm. Okay. All right. I'm trying to really get a lot on here. Ooh. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. I didn't need that bowl of water, huh? Mm-mm-mm. I'm not scared to lick my fingers, suck my fingers. Excuse me. Look at my plate. Look at my plate, y'all. Look at that. Delicious. Delicious. I do need another fufu though, because I have a little bit more okra stew in my bowl. I do. Y'all know I'm getting full. Y'all know your girl is getting full. Man, this is so good. For real, y'all. I want all of it. This is like the last bite, y'all, and I want all of it. I do. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I haven't had something so good like this in a long time. Okay, now I'll use my bowl. Excuse me. Guys, again, let me know in the comments if you like okras. And let me know what you guys having for dinner tonight. And again, this right here, I got this fufu from Square One Mall in Saugus at Marion's Yummy Kitchen. Y'all could go look her up online. Everything to see what they got. Like on certain days, they got special things, you know, like Friday, Saturday. I didn't look to see what today's special was. I was just really excited that they had okras. Maybe it was okra. I don't know. Guys, man, listen. Make sure you subscribe. A lot of people don't know that it is free to subscribe. It costs absolutely nothing, guys. Okay? Again, you know, like, share, comment, all that good stuff. If you want to, you know, help a sister out, please. Guys, if nobody told you today that they love you, let me be the first to tell you I love you. I love each and every one of you guys. I even love you in the background that's listening. Okay? Yeah, so be safe. It's Friday. Don't go out unless you have to. Stay in the house. Save some money. Save your life. Save a life. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy out there in this world. All right, to the next video. I love you.